In a critical escalation on Ukraine's northeastern front, Ukrainian forces brace for intense confrontations following significant advances by Russian troops in the Kharkiv region. Ukrainian Colonel General Alexander Syrsky warned of heavy battles ahead as Russian President Vladimir Putin declared the establishment of a buffer zone to secure Moscow's border regions. The recent surge in hostilities began last Friday when Russian forces launched an offensive in the northern part of the Kharkiv region, penetrating up to 10 kilometers into Ukrainian territory. This offensive has expanded the combat zone by approximately 70 kilometers, destabilizing Ukrainian defenses already stretched thin over a sprawling front that has persisted nearly 27 months since Russia's full-scale invasion. Syrsky acknowledged the precarious situation, noting that Russia had expedited its assault after detecting the deployment of Ukrainian forces. "We understand there will be heavy battles and that the enemy is preparing for that," Syrsky stated on the Telegram app. Russian forces currently hold the initiative on the battlefield, making gradual advances in the east. They are capitalizing on Ukrainian manpower shortages and prolonged delays in Western arms supplies, a dynamic that has further complicated Kyiv's defensive efforts. During a state visit to China, President Putin outlined Russia's strategic intentions, emphasizing the creation of a buffer zone in northeastern Ukraine. However, he clarified that capturing Kharkiv, Ukraine's second largest city, was not on the immediate agenda. "We are creating a buffer zone to protect our own border regions," Putin asserted, linking the offensive to ongoing Ukrainian shelling of Russian border areas, including Belgorod. In a stark illustration of the conflict's toll, Kharkiv's mayor reported a Russian missile strike on Friday that killed 2 people and injured 25 others in the city. Putin, addressing a news conference in China, justified the recent military actions as a response to Ukrainian attacks on Russian civilians. Despite the intense pressure, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky indicated that Ukrainian forces had managed to stabilize the front. Nonetheless, the challenges are formidable. Moscow's troops have reportedly seized control of 12 villages during their current incursion, according to Russia's defense ministry. As Ukraine continues to endure Russian airstrikes, Kyiv has ramped up efforts to develop drones and missiles, targeting facilities within Russia that support the war effort. The situation in Kharkiv region remains fluid and precarious, with both sides preparing for further escalations in what has already been a devastating conflict.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.